I have dead nettles in my garden. They come up every fall. I want to plant collard greens, but the dead nettle seems to cover up the greens when they're coming up and shade them out. What can I use as a pre-emergent to get rid of dead nettle seeds before they sprout so I can plant my collard greens? And this is David from Millington, Tennessee.
Wow.
So, Jolie wants to get rid of the dead nettle using a pre-emerge to plant his collards.
The problem is if he uses a pre-emergent, then the collard seeds aren't going to germinate either.
Yep.
Unless he uses transplants.
Yeah,
but
he
I
should
mean, I
use
can't see a
transplants.
whole field of transplanting.
No, there's Triffland
there's.
is a pre-emergent that won't hurt your turnip.
Oh, is there?
seed.
Good. Well then,
So you may want to try Triffland. Dacthal is another one. And they've been around a long time.
Wow,
So there's a couple of pre-emergent herbicides that you can try that are labeled for use on
the
turnip greens and collard greens and things like
that's
that.
good.
So it's good to know.
That's good. Definitely good to know.
Yeah, because there are going to be some out there that you cannot use, like preen.
Yes, don't
would
use
be
preen.
one, or pendulum would be another one, because they won't know the difference between the weed seed and the seed of your turnip greens.
That's correct.
Yeah.
So, but I found that on a North Carolina extension publication.
There you go.
Yep. So you
Yeah,
want
that
to pull that
edu.
up, double check me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So again, you can use
Triffland and Dacthal.
Dacthal.
Yeah,
Okay.
the trifluralin is the chemical name, and DCPA is the active in Dacthal. DCPA, and I'm not going to try to pronounce what that's.
Yeah, read and follow the label.
Yeah.
Mr. David on that, and dead nettle
Oh gosh.
can be an issue.
Yeah,
Definitely. Especially if you got a big
Yeah,
garden.
you got to get that. Yeah, it's in the mint family, grows like crazy, likes moist soils. Yeah, high fertility. So yeah.
Dr. Larry Steckel, UT Extension weed scientist, developed a publication talking about henbit and dead nettle, and they are very closely related. It's been my experience that dead nettle is harder to kill than henbit, but
Exactly right.
but you may want to check out Dr. Steckel's publication.
Right.
Very good.
Yeah, right here in Tennessee.
It'll tell you more than you want to know about dead nettle.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.